Today I'm working on the 2010 Kia Soul, and what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the headlight bulb, the front one. That one is gone, but I'm going to replace both of them. But on camera, I'm only going to show how to do one. It's the same procedure in the other side. And what you're going to need is, you're going to need your headlight bulb and also some gloves. I'm in the driver's side, so the first thing we have to do is remove this cover out of here. All you gotta do is turn it. Once you turn it, you pull it out. Now right in there, you see that metal? All you have to do is push this metal right here. You push it down, the one in the bottom. You push it down, and then you push it towards this way. See that metal piece that came out? This one. Once that's out, pull it up. Pull your light bulb out. There it goes. And all we have to do now is pull it. There it goes. So you see the 3 prongs? You're going to put the 3 prongs right in here. This thing looks kind of burnt. I'm going to have to get that to check it out. So you take your new light bulb. You're going to put it in. Squeeze it in. Make sure it's all the way in. Now, do not pull it through these wires. If not, you're going to have a bigger problem. Now, you see these 3 things here? 1, 2, 3. Right inside, we have 3 of those things in there. So you have to put the light bulb right with these brackets are right here, like these metal pieces. They are gaps inside. I don't know if I can show you that. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's one here in the side. Right here. There's another one in the other side over here. So all you have to do is take this. Make sure you put them in the correct side. You see these 2 are closer than this one. So we have to locate it. So it looks like these 2 ones that are closer together, they're in the bottom. So you're going to make sure that this metal thing is up. You're going to take this, put your light bulb in, bring that metal piece up. There you go. Make sure those 2 little things go in. It goes in. Now you're going to take this and you're going to put it right under. So all you do is squeeze it. Squeeze this, and right under here, there's like a little gap, and you put it in there. Now you take your cover, put it in. All you have to do is turn it. Now all we got to do is make sure that our light bulb is working. So here we go, the moment of truth. Work like a charm. High beams are working. So there you go. You replace the light bulb on your 2010 Kia Soul. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.